Hey everybody, it is Mark Coe for September 25th, Monday here. I'd like to first off say we've had a nice little day. We've had an open house, so if you haven't joined us and would like to, we're still live and free and open in our room from Tuesday to Friday, and hope you take time to join us. But I'm going to talk a little bit about today and what we had and what we see and kind of what's going on. So just a quick rundown here. Daily model is short euro, it's short pound, it is short Aussie, so you can see it's long dollars. Daily model is also short S&P from not quite but close to the high ticks from Sunday night, which were 2504. That's where the S&P model is short from. So let me show you what we did live today in the room. Took some profits here at levels, right? So these are daily levels. So took some profits here off the daily model in euro using these levels to do so. But you can see what's available here for the daily FX looks. Supported 1860, supported 1825, played out really nicely. Pound dollar, you can also see something very similar, which is that it played down into support. So I was using 34.30 as support number 2 in the pound. The low on the day is 34.31. So again, the levels just continue to nail it on a day-by-day basis. Now, using that to your benefit, what you're able to do is see that you have the ability to take some profit off the table in short pounds, right? Because if you remember, we've been short pounds for a couple days up here at this 35.79 level. That's where we're short the pounds from. And so what were the levels you had today? You had 34.30 as your support. Again, we traded 34.31. You had 34.70 support. So I'm sorry, 75 support. So you can see where that came from. And that's what we're playing against right now on a little bit of a rally in late afternoon. So some nice levels played out here today. I want to talk a little bit about what I did in the E-minis. I sold E-minis on the model, 2504. That was all good. But I was using the levels, and I was kind of trading around this position intraday. So I was able to knock in a nice 800. So far, it's $837. I think is the total. You can check my math, but I sold 2504s, so that's my sell. I covered some of them at 24.87 and a quarter, and I'll show you real quickly why I covered some on the daily. I'm just trading around this position. I will put these shorts back on, but I want to show you why. Again, it's coming from the levels, and so understanding what the reaction at the levels. I had 2 looks down here over a period of a couple hours to be able to decide this one. It wasn't something that I had to decide in 5 minutes, but this is what I was looking at from the levels. I was looking at the reaction, this 24.85 to 90 area that took us up to the highs, and understanding that if the market gets through there, sellers will claim some level of control. But until they do, all they've done is drive it back down to that edge, and buyers ripped it away pretty quickly. It was on the next visit back down to that I took them off. So all I've done is get out of the way on the daily model for some of this uprise, and hopefully I can see prices back near this 95 97 type area to sell them back into. And that's kind of what I'd be looking at over the course of the rest of the day and into tomorrow. So again, daily model sits short from 2504. That's where it's short from. Stops are on a daily close above 14. So this is not a day trade solely. I was able to lock in, like I said, some profits there, which was nice. But I will put risk back on. I will establish more risk in this trade. And so if you want to know more about the levels and what we're doing, please come join us. It would be great. We've had a nice time today on Monday, and I look forward to the rest of the week and sharing some more good stuff. And I'm pretty happy with what we've seen today, and we'll continue to look forward to do it. So cheers, and hopefully we'll see you guys in the room Tuesday through Friday.